Boom. What's up, people? Hope everybody's safe. Been pretty wild past couple of days with this corona thing. Everybody's been asked to stay home, and you know, if you watch the news, it makes you nervous. The stock markets are going up and down. It's pretty wild, but you know, stay the course. You know, try to stay positive, pray a little bit, keep the family safe. So we're on our way to one of the properties that we bought in December. We gave the guy 3 months for free because he was in the property for 50 years. Got a couple of guys over there. We're gonna be throwing out everything that he left in the property. We got some dumpsters over there, so today's gonna be a cleanup day. All we're gonna do is clean, throw everything out into the dumpster. I'm probably gonna fill up the whole dumpster, so I'm gonna have another dumpster come in the afternoon. Difference between boys and girls, not girls, sissies. Sissies stay home playing video games. Big boys go out to work, making it happen. I understand this is not good. I still gotta work. We still gotta make money. We still gotta clean the properties. We still gotta do what we gotta do. So we're doing it. Caesar's here shooting the videos. 5 guys ready to clean up. We're gonna rock. We're doing the best we can under all circumstances always. We're here at the property, 82 Church Street. We're throwing everything out that's in the garage. We're gonna take out some of the antiques from the old owner, and we're gonna put it in the garage for him because he needs a little more time. But we're here working. Come out and work. I understand we got the corona stuff going on, but I still gotta work. I still gotta make money. My guys gotta make money. We're moving. We're doing the right thing. We're looking at properties, and we're trying to get better deals and better pricing. Go out, find your house, get it, close on it. Call us if you need anything. We're here for you. Trabajar. It's okay to get your hands dirty, but I'm waiting for gloves though. They went to get it back. We got Eladio, Water Construction. Came with a couple of guys to help us with all this because it's a lot. And we want to move it and we got to go inside. So, Eladio, you ready?
Ready.
Yo, you guys are ready? Yo, you ready to do 50 push-ups? I like that. Yo, we're gonna get all this out first, and then we're gonna go into the house. We'll be here for a couple of days just cleaning before the construction starts. Full of paper. We can use it as toilet paper. Oh, this is cool. So we don't want to throw stuff like this out. We'll put it in a garage sale. It's probably like 100 years old, but we're trying to set this up nicely because if not, what'll happen is it'll get too full too quick. So we're gonna try to maximize the space to the dumpster. So I'm here with Eladio. We're going through what the old owners want. They've been here for 50 years, so we're helping them, you know, stack their truck up so they're moving to their new place. And then we're gonna demo everything. And I'm here with Eladio from Water Construction. So we're gonna be ripping out the carpets, the walls, the ceilings. We're gonna demo the whole thing. But the house hasn't been renovated in 50 years. It hasn't been touched in 50 years. So this is gonna be a lot of work and a lot of fun and a lot of money. Stuff like this he wants. We're gonna put it in the garage, and he's gonna do something with that with a garage sale, or he's gonna take it to an antique shop. Some of that stuff is like over 100 years old. So everything goes out, all the cabinets, ceilings. Some of the stuff is garbage. A lot of the stuff is garbage. So we're excited, also nervous because of all the work that needs to be done.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous.
We're here, but you know. Oh, check out this old scale.
Wow.
Digital. The kids won't know what this is. They're accustomed to the digital ones.
They don't know what a payphone is.
Check out this old bathtub. I think a lot of collectors are they're collecting these, Walter. They restore them. They like these. Yeah, so when we rip this out, we're not gonna throw it out. We'll probably find a somebody that works with these and give it to them for $100, $200. These are being ripped out because we're doing central air, central heating. Everything is gonna come off. The doors are coming off. Everything is coming off. So we're excited. What do you think, Elijah?
Could be done. A lot of work.
A lot of work.
It's probably easier to get beer right now than water. So I got water.
We have to take a little break. We ordered some pizza and then we filled up the container. We got 2 containers coming, but in the meantime, we're gonna shoot. We're gonna pitch, see who could knock the glass jar down. We're gonna change the glass jar, and it's $5. So it's how much? $1 a shot or $2 a shot? $2 a shot, yo. How much is it?
$2 a shot.
$1 a shot. Let's do $1 a shot. So everybody has to do $1 a shot.
Hey Diana, what do we like to see in the renovations?
Nice kitchen, bigger closets, and more bedrooms.
Really?
Right?
Bathrooms.
What do you think? Yes? What do you think, Addison? Yes?
Yeah.
Wait. So it's what? Bathrooms?
Bathroom, kitchens,
Closets.
Yep.
Little closets or big closets?
Big closets.
Big closets.
Big closets, right? Addison, big closets?
Shoe closet? Two dumpsters, a lot of garbage deep. Come in. What do you think?
A lot.
This guy's been on job sites since he's like 5, playing on the job sites.
Back to back. Don't stop.
How old were you when you first moved in here?
6 months old.
And you're 25 now?
Right. And you add 25 and a few more, and I'm 53.
You know, we're cleaning out, we're helping your parents with, whatever leftovers they want. We're going to help them load their truck.
And I appreciate it so much. I know they're so thankful for your willingness to work with them.
Thank
It's
you.
been very, very important.
Thank you. But we're here. Anything you guys need, we're here.
Thank you.
We got 1. Diana's helping a little bit. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 of us. Still need more people. We're trying to get out all the garbage in 1 or 2 days. We're gonna probably go through like 6 containers. This is container 3 and 4. We're gonna do around 6 or 7 containers, but we're cleaning everything out. We're doing the basement, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the inside. This garage was filled up all the way to the top with a lot of old stuff. We've managed to get a lot of stuff out. Guys, thank you so much. Eladio, Secaucus Football, Carlos, Dom, Albert, Secaucus Football, Janet, everybody chipped in. We did unbelievable. We got 4 containers. We're getting 2 more tomorrow to do the basement and maybe 2 more for inside. So we're gonna go through like 8, 10 dumpsters. A lot of work, but we're here. First day, baby.
Yeah.